Howdy ho, bitches! Woo! It's like the 8th of fucking September and this is the third fucking video I've made today. Holy fucking shit. I made a Cure the Munchies video earlier. Then I wasn't planning on it, but then I started making these buns and I said, fuck, I better make a video on how to make sandwich rolls. But the first part of it I didn't film, so I gotta film that the next time I make sandwich rolls. Now I got the munchies again, bitches. So we're gonna make a fucking sandwich with the sandwich rolls. Hence, making the sandwich rolls. And we're gonna use that. Oh, where's the fucking meat? Meat's in the fridge. Forgot the meat. Went to the fucking Sobeys there the other day. And we got some Schneiders. Oh, yeah, I went to the Sobeys, eh? What's that say? The beer store. Fucking Sobeys, eh? Beer store. So, I got some Schneider summer sausage. Oh, those are nice big chunks. That's for a breakfast video coming up, probably tomorrow. Well, we got some sandwich sliced stuff right here. Oh, is there money in here? No. Oh, damn, no money, but lots of papers. I will have to inspect what these are. Okay, so this stuff goes back in the fridge. Okay, I'm gonna cut a button open. Well, you'll figure it out. I'm fucking wasted. High and drunk. Okay. There. Okay, what bun should we use? Hey, click the linky fucking thing in the description or upstairs to see how I made these fucking buns. Here, look at that. That's a nice bun. We'll use that one. That's a nice one too. Different design. Perfect. Alright, bitches. I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Be gone with you, whatever you were. Bun. Knife. Nella cutlery. Cheap ass shit that they use in every normal fast food restaurant in Ontario, but you know what? They also make the bayonets for the Canadian Armed Forces, so fucking A. Bayonets are good. Homemade bun. Click the fucking link. Cut in half. Don't cut your fingers off. That would not be good. Put that over here. Open-a-vous. Look at that. Looks pretty fucking nice, eh? Fucking fish tank and high motherfucker knows how to cook. Or bake. Sorry, that's baking. I don't like the video on bake. I said that. Let's get some butter on there. Knife. Butter. Fucking A. Get some fucking butter on that. Need some butter. Yeah. A little more. Put some on the top end, eh? There you go. Bitchy McBitch tard. Fucky McFucknuts. Woo! That's how you do it. Oh, and today we're going to be using with our Schneider's bagged summer sausage. This is one in the canvas bag. We got some Norwegian mustard from Elton's Barbecue and cooking or whatever. I don't know, I'm wasted. Jatil. This stuff still, it's fucking awesome, man. Thank you. Thank you so much. Don't worry, I still haven't opened the others. I'm working on it. So, we got that. Now we got some of this Schneider's bagged summer sausage. Tasty. So, here we go. Is it taking a long time? Fuck yeah. I'm stoned. Just put it that way. Okay, you get the idea. I'm gonna do this for the whole fucking thing. I'll be back. And I got some fucking cheese there too, eh? Put that fucking cheese on there. Okay? Wipe the fingers. That's fucking good. Cheers, big ears. Oh, fuck me. Alright, I'll be back. Alright, bitches. Norwegian mustard. This is good shit. I love mustard. Especially European, Eastern European mustards. It's fucking beautiful. Alright. There we go. Go check out Elton's Barbecue. This deal has a great channel. Let's put this shit away too, eh? And we got some cheese on here. We got some extra old white cheddar. Get some cheese on there. I'm not going to heat this fucker up. I'm just going to eat it the way it is. It is very nice when it's heated. That's okay. There you go. Bitchy McBitch nuts. Fucky McFucktard. Alright. Oh, jeez. Guess we should cut this bitch up, eh? Knife. Not supposed to be using a knife when I'm high. It's okay. It's a sandwich. My fingers are safe. Dun, 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 dun. Look at that homemade bun. Summer sausage sandwich. Bitches. Try this bitch out, eh? Woo! Fuck yeah. Hello, mama. That's just fucking beautiful. Fucking dynamite, I tell you that. Right fucking there, eh? Wow. So, click the link to see how the buns are made. Click the link to go see Jatiel's channel from Norway. Elton's Barbecue and Cooking. Or Cooking and Barbecue, or Barbecued Cooking, or Cooked Barbie, or something like that. Just fucking with you, buddy. RTFO. This is fucking delicious, I tell you that. Right fucking now. Warm. Fuck off. Fuck you. That's fucking good. That cheese is nice. Alright. At this time. At this place. At this very fucking moment. Because I haven't done it in so long. It's time for a tea. I know I should have done the bang before that, but I don't give a fuck. Because I had a heater in my old truck. And I did go to the rodeo. But tonight, it's time for a tea. And tonight, our tea, Trailer Park Boys Lager. Freedom 35, bitches. Woo! Fuck yeah. There you go. Hey, turn over. Wrong hole. Drink up, buttercup. Fuck yeah. I'm gonna eat my fucking sandwich and cure my munchies. As Pete Thomas would say, my munchies are on the fucking run. Go check out Pete Thomas's channel, because Pete Thomas is a cool fucking dude. Alright, bitches. I'm fucking wasted. Woo! RTFO mofos. Ta.